If you are a strawberry lover like us, this is a treat for you because we will learn about how strawberries are harvested and turned into sweet products. But before that, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more related videos. Large-scale farms now employ mechanical ways to help them transplant strawberries. At this specific farm, they use robots to help them get through the task. First, the robot separates the seedlings so they can be transplanted into bigger individual pots. After that, the pots are forwarded to the watering station via conveyor belts. Once the berries are deep red in color and feel soft but not mushy, they are ready for harvest. This machine is designed to automate the harvesting process while still ensuring that it is done gently. These grippers are specially designed to minimize damage to the fruit and surrounding plant. They are transported from the farms to the processing facility. This will start the transformation of the strawberry to different products. But before that, it is crucial that the strawberries go through initial sorting and inspection. First, the workers forward the baskets to the weighing area. Then, they are placed on a conveyor belt system. While it moves through a conveyor belt, workers are there to manually inspect them. This helps them remove any leaves, debris, or visibly damaged fruit. The next step is washing and cleaning the berries. After their leaves are removed, they transfer them over this area. Then they are washed with cold water to remove any dirt, dust, or debris without damaging the strawberry. Sometimes the facility adds in a mild sanitizing solution to make it more effective. This specific plant uses vibrations to remove surface impurities from the berries. One round of washing is not enough, so the strawberries go through another round. This time, the second wash is done by water jets or sprayers. Workers will check the strawberries one by one and dispose of those that do not meet the facility's standards. This is how frozen strawberries are made. Each of the cans were sterilized to ensure no contamination will happen. Once the strawberries are in, they are packed and firmly sealed. This helps the strawberries maintain its quality and taste even after a few days. Not all of the frozen strawberries are placed into cans. Some of them are left in the facility. These are the main ingredients for what most of us love: strawberry jam. But how do they make them? First of all, the workers in this facility load the strawberries into a carrier. Then they will be fed into this machine where other ingredients are added too. One of the ingredients they add to enhance the flavor of the strawberry is sugar. They need to add in a lot since they are making a big batch. During the old times, the amount of sugar and other ingredients were controlled manually. But in this high-tech facility, this is done through the help of the machine's program and interface. Jams are primarily syrups of different fruits. To draw out the syrup of strawberries, they are either crushed or pre-cooked. When it comes to crushing, different facilities might use mechanical equipment to break down the fruit. For this facility, they pre-cook the strawberry with this hot liquid to soften it. This results in strawberry pulp. To achieve the thickness of a jam, most of the processing facilities also add in pectin, which is a thickening agent. Although strawberries have natural pectin, an additional amount would make it even better. After that, the mixture is cooked in large kettles or vats. It is important to note that workers need to pay closer attention to the temperature while cooking so that the quality of the strawberry jam stays the same. During this stage, the water content evaporates, concentrating the fruit flavors and sugars. They need to keep on cooking the jam until the desired thickness and appearance is achieved. Beside that machine is a worker tasked and trained for testing. To avoid cross-contamination, they get a separate container and fill it with a sample of the mixture. Then, the worker visually inspects the jam and signals whether this batch is good to go. The mixture is constantly mixed, which allows all of the ingredients and flavors to blend with each other more. The same process allows the jam to cool even just a little bit. After some time, the jam is ready to be packed. To ensure food safety and efficiency of the process, the packing is done mechanically. Then, they will be filled with strawberry jam. Since the facility uses machines and high-tech innovations, they are assured that each of the jars get the same amount of jam. This filling process can be automated using high-speed filling machines. Of course, it is not complete without its lid. This part of the facility is primarily tasked for that. After carefully placing all of the lids, the machine moves with the conveyor belt that carries the jars of jam. They are tightly sealed with the leads to avoid any spoilage. In some cases, the lids may be heat-sealed to ensure a tamper-proof closure. Since this whole process is done mechanically, it cannot be avoided that some of the jam will spill. To solve this, the tightly sealed jars are washed to remove any debris or leftover jam. This also helps in cooling the jam to room temperature. Nearing the end of the process, you will see the sticker or labeling machine. These labels need to be applied to jars because it contains important information such as ingredients, nutritional facts, and expiry dates. This labeling is often done automatically using labeling machines. After that, the machine will forward the sealed and labeled jars of jam into the bulk packing section. Most of the time, they are packed onto pallets and stored into a cool and dry place. If you think you cannot finish a whole jar of strawberry jam but you still want to try them, do not worry. This facility also offers smaller versions of the jam. Oftentimes, these are served on the side of a meal or for smaller portions. They contain the same ingredients and have been processed the same way too. And that's a wrap on how strawberries go from field to factory to your fridge. This has been Mighty Machines, and we hope you learned a thing or two. You can also tell us in the comments section what videos you want us to feature next. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next videos.